I'm super excited because it is Christmas Eve and today is 24th December 2025. If you know you don't want to spend the whole day in the kitchen this celebration period, this video is for you.
Let's make 3 pots of soups for Christmas.
If you know that you don't want to spend the whole day in the kitchen this celebration period, this video is for you. Compliments of the season to everyone watching this video. Today we are doing bulk cooking, and you already know that Christmas is a season of celebration. It is time to hang out with family, spend quality time with the children, and enjoy oneself. And most times you find out when you go out with the children, when you get back home late at night, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is to step into the kitchen. And that is the major reason why I am doing this bulk cooking. Don't worry, everything I'll be using will be listed in the caption. And yes, we are making 3 different pots of soups. We are making Oha Soup, we are cooking black soup, and we are also cooking Ogbono Soup, which happens to be the children's favorites. Truth be told, not many people love black soup, but I do, and I love it so very much, and that is why I made sure everyone's favorite is included in this edition of bulk cooking. Daddy loves Oha Soup, the children love Ogbono Soup, and I love black soup. So this way, everybody gets to enjoy what they love the most. This is all about making life easier and making sure that everyone has a taste of their own favorite meal this festive season. Enjoy the video. Feel free to drop your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us in this journey. I love you so very much. Enjoy the Christmas celebration and have a wonderful new year ahead. I will see you in my next video. Yeah. He said he gave my fat. Stop. Fire 1 minute. Collect the money back from me. I was in shock.
Agozi them, Abi. And the papa.
That Agozi was busy now.
The daddy are saying no.
The daddy say no tomorrow. Tomorrow now we wake around 10 and start killing chicken.
What's the killing now? Put in the freezer.
That's the perfect thing to do.
How many baby can you get tomorrow?
Maybe one plate.
Eh?
One plate.
Yep. One plate.
It's okay.
Because as far as
Stop. Hold on. Woo! Let's sit down and eat that beans. Let's sit down and eat that beans. Let's sit down and eat that beans.